Today, I'm going to be sharing one of the most helpful tips to help prepare your baby for baby-led weaning coming up. Hello, beautiful mamas. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole. I'm a mama. I'm a pediatric occupational therapist as well as a certified lactation counselor. And this channel is geared to help make motherhood easier on you. So do me a favor and hit the subscribe button below if that sounds like something you're into. Today, I want to share one of the most helpful ways in which you can gear your little one up for the baby-led weaning experience or infant-led feeding. And that is family mealtime. So I'm going to break down why this is so important and how it's actually going to prepare your baby for the really important task of self-feeding. So before I dive in exactly how family meal times will prepare your baby for baby-led weaning, I want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, and that is Nomi. Nomi makes these beautiful, innovative high chair and baby seats for your little ones to have the best experience during meal times. I found this company a couple of years ago and actually did a review on their high chair. It grows with your baby to 18 and beyond. It can hold over 300 pounds. Beautiful design, super innovative. And again, I love this infant seat, which is a big focus on today's video, right? Family mealtime. I finally got to bring Naya to the table as opposed to trying to find a boppy and placing it on top of the table. So you will see how this fits in beautifully with the family mealtime puzzle. Okay, so the first reason why family mealtimes are so important for your baby in preparation for self-feeding is because it allows them to see you model eating. So again, how's your baby going to learn what to do with food, how to pick it up and how to bring it to their mouth? It's by first watching you. And again, having your little one at the table with you is really, really important for this, even before they're ready to sit up on their own and start practicing, because they just get to watch you and take in the experience. So you'll see that I'm conversing with Naya and I have the fork in my hand and I'm bringing food to my mouth, and she's genuinely interested in what it is that I'm doing. And she absolutely is learning how it is that I get food into my mouth as she's watching me chew and swallow and speak through this whole experience. So this is step one. Your little one's going to learn by watching you and your other family members model eating. The second way in which family meal times is really going to help prepare your little one for self-feeding is it's a major sensory experience. Think about all of the smells that are taking place when you guys are sitting down to enjoy a meal together, right? Spices, sweet, salty, all this good stuff. The aromas are in the air and your little one is taking it in. And it's such a new experience each and every time. So not only is your little one getting a sensory experience by smelling what's in the air, but your little one's also paying attention to the variety of foods that are being offered at the table. So whether it's bright colors or different textures, whatever it is, your little one is starting to understand food looks different, it smells different, but we all come together and we sit around the table to enjoy family meal times together. Another important way in which this family mealtime experience is going to facilitate independent self-feeding is it's a great opportunity to work on language development as well as family bonding. So when you're able to narrate at the kitchen table what it is that you're experiencing as you're eating, your little one is taking this all in. Of course, they're not able to distinguish your words exactly, but it's a great habit to get into because these words are going to end up being a part of your little one's vocabulary. And down the road, they're going to be able to describe the food or their desires or dislikes using these words because they've sat and they've listened and they've heard you narrate your experience. So whether the food is sweet, whether it's salty, whether it's hot, whether it's cold, mushy, these are all great adjectives that your little one will come to understand as he or she works their way to the table and starts experiencing different foods for themselves. And in terms of family bonding, obviously meal times are a very special part of our day where the members can come together. Maybe it's the only time everyone gets to be together and really just have conversations. And sharing meals is such an important part of so many cultures. And again, it is this experience where your kiddos are able to see and smell and take in the language and watch you eat food so they can learn to do the same. There are so many beautiful things that are happening for your baby's development that we take for granted as adults because it seems so simple, right? We take it for granted because it doesn't take any effort on our part to do these things. But your little one is making all of these neural connections, and it's building blocks so they can put them together when they're developmentally ready and execute on reaching for the food, bringing it to the mouth, and eventually participating in family conversations. It's a lot to do, right? To concentrate on the food, chewing, and then eventually being able to engage in conversations between chewing, swallowing, drinking liquids, right? It takes years and years and years of practice, and it starts by watching others do it first. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions about how to prepare your little one for the all-important self-feeding occupation, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.